Next.
But I am for the petition. Yesterday, my lord, your lordship asked for the report regarding the date of the, my lord, brother of the petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord,
My
this
lord,
is
I
the
am praying for, my lord.
Is
My lord, 28, already the last rites
last rites are over.
over. 20th
My lord,
January.
Shraddha ceremony, my lord.
Of the ceremony.
Yes, man, already done.
শ্রাদ্ধ কি করে হবে?
20th January. The last night.
24 মারা গেছে।
24th he died of
Yes, my lord.
28th.
28th
How?
in their customs, my lord.
Their customs. Petitioner contends that his brother had expired. He prays for interim bail to meet the family at this hour of need and also perform funeral and also perform rites as per custom. Report is placed on record. Report shows the brother had expired on 24/1/2025 and the last rites were performed on 28/1/2025. We have considered we have considered the materials on record, though it is contended that the last rites have already been performed. Petitioner has made out a case for interim bail on humanitarian considerations to meet the family and to meet the family of the deceased brother, and also to perform certain other rites. In light of the aforesaid, we direct that petitioner shall be released on interim bail for a period of 15 days on furnishing a bond of so and so. 15 days bole date ta diye dao. What is the date?
31st, 15th February.
All right, till 15th of February, 2025, and on condition of so and so, petitioner shall surrender before the correctional home concern, before the superintendent correctional home concern on 16th of February 2025. And state shall submit report on the adjourned date.
16th.
Huh?
16th, 17th.
On 17th. List the matter on 7th.
Yeah. Good.
Next.
I'm praying for next time.
Why let us reject it? Why not? Unnecessary next time. How long are you in custody?
I don't have the book.
All right, we'll consider the matter.
Lordship, kindly.
Yes,
CD is
then
not
on
there.
why did you fight?
CD is not there.
28 kilo grams. About 1 year you were in custody. 16,920. 1 year. All right.
Next circuit.
Next available.
Not I for the petition. My petitioner custody about 221 days. My charge sheet has already been submitted. Victim has refused his medical. My petitioner is aged about 17.
Let us see the statement of the victim.
Yes, Lordship.
My victim is aged about 17 years and
Very good. Victim is 17 doesn't mean you start cohabiting with the victim.
Page number, Lordship.
Page
Page number 29, Lordship. Lordship, the conduct of the accused, Lordship.
what conduct of the
Taken the visit in Haryana, thereafter he fled away, Lordship. Thereafter, Jalpaiguri police, with the help of the Haryana police, recovered the victim from Haryana, Lordship.
she went with me with her own will. Subsequently, he denied her medical also.
So why did you run away?
I have an apprehension that police had been arrested.
So if you are so much in love, you should have surrendered along with the child.
Subsequently, I have been arrested, my lord.
That's what we are saying. Your conduct seems that whenever in trouble, you run away and let the girl in at
I
large.
have been punished for my conduct, my lord.
You should be punished
221
more.
days, my lord.
You should
Well,
be,
200
law says you should be punished for 20 years imprisonment. All right. What no? Go and amend the law in the parliament then. Consensual sexual intercourse with a minor attracts 20 years rigorous imprisonment. So
Well-
tell us.
My lord, she denied her medical, my lord.
No, we understand denied and medical.
My lord, it is 70 years.
Petitioner is in custody for more than 200 days. He submits consensual. He submits that there was romantic relationship and with the victim and they had eloped.
Yesterday, my lord, the victim, my lord, sought for a day's accommodation, my lord, to
How
come.
long you are in
my lord,
custody?
17 days I am in custody. My lord,
17.
17 days, my lord. I am, my lord, a police officer, my lord.
Uh,
My lord, I could not move my application for anticipatory bail, my lord. This is a case, my lord, where at page 33, my lord, is the first FIR lodged by the victim. My lord, that FIR, my lord, she lodges, my lord, under 493, 376.
Page
Is-
33.
Page 33 is her first FIR.
Sir, Chatterjee, whenever the documents are kept in sealed cover,
Lordships,
copies with the redacted portions should be annexed separate.
my lords, my lords.
Is page 33 is
Is the
the,
first FIR that she lodges against an individual called Shonjit Singh. My lord will kindly see, my lord, the contents of that FIR, my lord, once. I'm not reading it out, my lord. Next page, my lord, at page 34. My lord, in addition to what is pleaded in the petition, my lord, we could, my lord, lay our hands on 2 more FIRs, my lord. I have got the certified copies today morning. I'll be placing them before your lordships, my lord.
what is your age?
My lord, I am a 55-year-old
No,
individual.
the victim's age?
Victim is a major,
Major.
20s, 20. While I exactly don't have the age, my lord, my
No, but
learned friend,
major.
lordships. Then, my lord, this FIR your lordship has seen, this FIR, the first one ends in a charge sheet, my lord, that is pending.
Uh,
Now, my lord, on 16th of July 2021, at page 55, against the victim of this case, my lord, an FIR gets lodged, my lord, by an individual called Uttam Roy. Page 55, my lord, will find the formal FIR.
Acha, what is page 46?
My lord, page 46, my lord, is, my lord, the third FIR that she institutes, my lord, against 2 individuals, my lord,
She is
under
threatened.
354.
She is threatened.
She is threatened and she says she lodges an FIR under 354, where, my lord, charge sheet is filed against 2 persons. That is her third FIR. But before that, what happens is, my lord, an FIR gets registered against her and her accomplice Amit Mondal on the allegation at page 55, on the allegation that they have collected, my lord, 1,30,000 from 13 individuals, promising, my lord, government jobs in, my lord, Falakata government hospital. That FIR is at page 56, 57 against the victim. My lord, after they, my lord, collect money, my lord, they get one of the victim's partner, my lord, the accomplice, my lord, Amit, my lord, gets, my lord, nabbed by people in Malbazar. My lord, in Malbazar, this case is started, my lord. She lodges this FIR. After, my lord, the persons from whom they have taken money, they, my lord, hold back, my lord, Amit Mondal in Malbazar. This is her, my lord. সব দিচ্ছি দিচ্ছি এটা কপি দিন না মালবাজারেরটা I've pleaded about this, my lord, but I've craved leave. I couldn't get it earlier, my lord. My lord, one copy for my lord Justice Khan. This is the second FIR that she lodges in September 2022. And kindly see the charge sheet of this Malbazar FIR, my lord.
Yes.
Kindly see the charge sheet of the Malbazar FIR, my lord, where, my lord, there is a clear reference that they were taking money from various people, my lord. And ultimately in the Malbazar FIR, which was although started under 364A, charge sheet was filed only under 342.
And you are attached to which police station?
My lord, at that point of time, my lord, I was in Kranti Outpost, where, my lord, the Malbazar case was initially lodged. Kranti Outpost, my lord, is in Malbazar, under the jurisdiction of Malbazar police station. But That was, my lord, in 2022. Presently, my lord, I am posted as second officer in Rajganj police station within the district of Jalpaiguri. Now, my lord, the third FIR which my lord just saw a while back, my lord, is at page 46, the section 354 FIR, my lord. Page 46, my lord. That is her third FIR which she lodges, where also a charge sheet comes to be filed, my lord. At page 49, against two individuals.
Yes.
Then, my lord, another FIR she lodges on 14th of May 2024 in Pradhannagar police station by way of 156-3. My lord, I'm sorry, my lord, I got this copy just now, my lord, I couldn't make a photocopy. This is a certified copy, my lord. Your lordship kindly sees, my lord, the same lady. Kindly tally her father's name, my lord, and her address. This is the fourth FIR that she lodges in May 2024.
What is the substance of this?
My lord, the substance of this FIR is, my lord, she was induced to part with money, which she does, and eventually she says she has been cheated. It's a case of primarily of cheating and criminal breach of trust.
So these are nothing to do with your
And then comes, my lord, this FIR, which is the fifth one, according to our knowledge, my lord, that comes to be lodged. This is against us, my lord, starts at 12. 12, my lord, is the zero FIR which she lodges, my lord, in Siliguri Women Police Station. She is a resident under, my lord, Pradhannagar Police Station, which, my lord, is transferred, my lord, to Jalpaiguri Women, and the investigation is initiated, my lord, under 376-2A and 506, corresponding to, my lord, these provisions of the IPC, my lord.
right. And the allegation is that you called her to your residence and raped her.
Well,
That is at 8:30
yes, my lord,
PM on
so it's a
10th of Jan.
My lord, my respectful submission is, my lord, it is a palpably false allegation, my lord. She is in the, my lord,
But why should you label
Well,
an allegation against you?
she institutes, my lord, cases from time to time
Why?
against people, my lord.
No,
This, my lord, she is in the practice of initiating cases.
That's
My
got
lord,
nothing to do with any initiative. There is in 2020 an allegation of cohabitation with one Sanjit Mondo Singh. And she says that this cohabitation was essentially on the promise of giving her employment in a security concern
Lordships,
run by Sanjit.
lordships.
Now, if that is there, the
Then there is a
others are
354.
completely unconnected with the affairs of your police station or anything. There's one at Pradhannagar, which is the cheating case that you say.
In the last part of the Pradhannagar 156-3, my lord, will find there is a reference to an allegation that the accused in that case had threatened to circulate her, my lord, photographs in compromising positions. That allegation is
The
there.
Pradhannagar FIR is against his petitioner.
No, my lord, Pradhannagar is not. The complainant is the same in all the
Sorry,
cases.
Pradhannagar is against the complainant. Pradhannagar 500,
Lordship.
2021 is against the complainant.
Yes, Pradhannagar 500 is against the complainant.
Against the complainant. And this has got that some money was taken by them, etc.
Yes.
And then she lodges a case that Amit was detained on demand of money. That is
That 364A case in Malbazar.
364A case at Malbazar. Then there is a Pradhannagar case
Malad-
again in
Malad, in the-
2024. In the meantime, there is another case lodged
Malad is referring to the Siliguri case, my lord, at page 46.
Yes, that is another case where someone posing to be a lawyer threatens her in 2023.
Lordships. Now, my lord, So far as, my lord, the initial case, my lord, of 493-376, if your lordship sees
And
the
you are posted where?
Rajganj police station, my lord.
Earlier, in the present?
No, presently.
And earlier you were? posted
Earlier, one point of time, my lord, I was posted in Kranti outpost, which is under Malbazar.
under Malbazar.
Now, my lord, if your lordship sees, my lord, the order sheets of the
Mhm.
first case under
Mhm.
493-376,
Mm.
there, my lord, your lordship will find, it starts from page 15. My lord will find the relevant portion at, my lord, page, after the charges are framed, my lord, your lordship will find, my lord, page 26, 28 onwards, my lord, 28 onwards, where, my lord, her examination on doc is starting at page 28. Subsequent dates, your lordship will find, my lord, that she attends, but then she does not wish to, my lord, depose. She says she's feeling sick. Then for days together, she is not present. Then ultimately she could be, my lord.
When were you posted in Kranti?
My lord, I was posted in Kranti, my lord, though it is not pleaded in my petition, my lord. I took instructions, my lord. I was posted, my lord, sometime in, my lord, during the period of time when this Malbazar case was registered in 2022.
22. That is, we are trying to find
And
out how
Yes, my lord.
how you had access to the lady.
My instruction is, my lord, that that is where she came to know
Okay.
me.
Someone said
Look.
feeling. That's why I'm trying to, because all the cases are Pradhan Nagar. This guy is not there in Pradhan Nagar. Malbazar case is the one where the son, the partner is arrested and he starts now dealing with her. And 25 she lodges a case with her. Yes, what do you say?
Lordship, the pleadings as referred by my learned friend on the page number 9, it is not the total information.
Right.
Regarding the examination tested by the prosecution after filing the charge sheet, Lordship, she has been,
What happened to the earlier rape case against Sanjit?
that case is pending, Lordship,
That case is pending.
pending. She has already been examined
Hmm.
and it is to be concluded.
No. You have any orders? Yes.
You have deposed in that case.
Yes.
Yes, it is completed, Lordship.
Okay.
Page number 38/1/2024. Page number 30. And all the cases, it is not related with this. This petitioner is the man in uniform. What he intends to submit before this, convince this honorable
We are
court.
not able to understand how you got access to this petition. In your FIR, you say that for long you read out the first lines of your FIR.
Lordship.
In the FIR, your case is what? That he has been informing you that criminal case is pending against you.
Lordship.
See, আমি সোয়ানসো জানাই সোয়ানসো সেকেন্ড অফিসার বেশ কিছুদিন আগে আমার সাথে যোগাযোগ করে এই বলে যে আমার নামে রাজগঞ্জ থানায় কেউ বা কারা কমপ্লেন করেছে।
Yes, Lordship.
এরপর আমি থানায় যোগাযোগ করি, উনি আমার বিরুদ্ধে কোনো কমপ্লেন দেখাননি, কিন্তু উনি বলেন আমার বিরুদ্ধে কমপ্লেন ওনার কাছেই রাখা আছে, এইভাবে উনি আমাকে ভয় দেখাতে থাকেন। এরপর বিভিন্ন অছিলায় উনি আমায় থানায় ডাকতেন, গতকাল so and so and then
Yes,
this
Lordship.
is the allegation. Now, what is the corroborative material with regard to how do you come to know of this officer? Why does this officer contact you? That is not clear.
Lordship.
You are not a person who went to Rajganj. None of your cases are registered in Rajganj.
Lordship.
How do you come to know of this officer, that this officer suddenly contacts you and say that I have a complaint against you?
Lordship, at
It
that
seems that there is a prior association between you and the officer.
Lordship, at the time of registration of the case at Malbazar,
Right,
at that time, this gentleman was the officer posted at Kranti.
right.
That
So
is the outpost of Malbazar police
that's
station. Maybe
2022.
that
Now,
relation.
this maybe will not do, sir. You are a complainant, you are saying suddenly this police officer contacts you. Now, why does he contact you?
Lordship, that will come from the investigation.
That's
From cause
exactly,
there.
that is the gray area.
Yes.
We will ask the
Yes.
investigating officer. Yes, tell us how this FIR, the starting point, gives an impression of prior association between the two persons, that is the accused and the victim. Do you have anything to say about this investigation aspect?
Not as per the case diary, my lord, investigation is initial stage, my lord.
What is the
Investigation is
initial, what do
going
you
on.
define by initial stage?
My lord,
You have got the, did you ask for police custody?
my lord, yes. No. Yes, yes. But 164 statement is there.
We have asked you one question, your answer is 164. Did you ask for police custody?
But he is on police custody.
On police custody?
No,
Really, every day, you embarrass yourself and you embarrass us. Huh? This matter, you are representing the state and the prosecutor. You are not even aware whether the accused was taken into police custody. Take down. Petitioner is a police officer who is presently attached to Rajganj police station. Who is presently attached to Rajganj police station. He contends the victim lady had earlier lodged a criminal case alleging rape against one Shunjit Singh. Thereof, one Shunjit Singh. She and the victim and her partner is an accused in Shunjit Singh at Siliguri Women's Police Station. She and petitioner, the victim and her partner were alleged to have defrauded various individuals on false promise of giving employment, and a criminal case of cheating was registered against them at Pradhan Nagar in 2021, out of 2020 in 2021. Thereafter, the victim's partner was abducted by the job seekers, and a criminal case was registered against and a criminal case was registered by the victim at Malbazar police station. Footstep at Malbazar police station. There are other cases also. There are other criminal cases also at Malbazar police station. Full stop. Petitioner is no way connected with the investigation of any of these cases. He had no association with the victim and has been falsely implicated in the offense of rape, in the instant case alleging rape. He is in custody for 17 days. Has he been suspended?
close.
And he is closed. And what do you mean by closed?
Suspended.
He should be suspended as a public servant. Is in custody for 17 days and he has been closed and has been suspended.
Departmental proceedings also.
Suspended as per law. There is no question of the under such circumstances he prays for bail. Learned lawyer for additional public prosecutor opposes the prayer. He contends that petitioner had threatened the victim that with false criminal case. The petitioner had falsely informed the victim there is a criminal case had been lodged against her and had been lodged against her at Rajganj police station. On such excuse, he called her to his residence and forcibly raped her. Learned lawyer for the de facto complainant contends, also opposes the pair. We have considered the materials on record, including the first information report and statement of the victim before magistrate. Victim had earlier lodged a case of rape against one Shonji, in 2020, the victim had lodged a case of cheating and rape against one, তার আগে বলো, victim is an adult lady. In 2020, she lodged a case of cheating and rape against one Shonjit Singh. Crux of the case, a crux of the accusation in the said case is that Shonjit cohabited with her on the false promise of giving employment in a security firm. The case is pending trial. In the meantime, in 2021, on the allegation that the victim and her partner Amit Mondol had floated a firm which induced suspecting job seekers to pay money for government employment. কি বললাম লাইনটা? How did I start the line? A criminal case was registered against the victim and her partner at Malbazar police station, at Pradhannagar police station. Full stop. The said case is also pending. In 2021, victim's partner Amit was abducted and she lodged a criminal case at Malbazar police station. In 2022 at Malbazar police station. And in 2023,
And charge sheet
has been filed.
all the cases charge sheet filed.
And in 2023, victim lodged another case at Shiliguri police station, alleging that she was raped, alleging that she had been threatened by unknown miscreants, Full stop. Petitioner contends he was not in charge of the investigation in any of these cases, and he did not know the victim. He did not know the victim. Under these circumstances, the question of under these circumstances, prosecution case that the petitioner called upon the victim and informed her that there is a criminal case, a criminal complaint lodged against her at Rajganj police station is patently absurd. De facto learned lawyer for de facto complainant contends petitioner was posted at Krantinagar outpost.
Kranti.
Only
Kranti outpost in Malbazar police station in 2022, when the victim had lodged case alleging abduction of his partner Amit Mondol. However, even then, this fact has been stated for the first time in court. Now, whether the posting of the petitioner at Kranti outpost led to acquaintance between him and the victim is not stated either in the first information report or in her statement before magistrate. Nothing has been collected during investigation to corroborate the fact that petitioner was known to the victim from before and taking advantage of earlier association was blackmailing her on the false accusation of having received a criminal complaint. Full stop. It is all credibility of the prosecution case requires to be assessed from this perspective at the appropriate stage of the proceeding. It is also relevant, a petitioner is in custody for 17 days and investigating agency has not sought his police custody. And he has an investigating agency had not sought his police custody. This shows that this makes it amply clear that that custodial interrogation for progress of investigation is not necessary. In respect of petitioner has already been suspended and the issue of abuse of his position as a police officer to derail investigation or intimidate the victim or other witnesses does not arise. Under such circumstances, we are inclined to grant bail to the petitioner. 10,000.
CJM Jalpaiguri. CJM Jalpaiguri.
Deeply appreciated.
I'm deeply aware. Deeply aware.
Yes, next matter.
For the petitioner, my lord.
Yes, so
Yesterday, my lord, I have submitted before lordship that I have served the copy. Thereafter, my lord, they have lodged that case, my lord. This is the copy that.
sure.
Yes, your lordship.
All right. Petitioner is the father-in-law of the victim. He contends his son instituted a suit for restitution of conjugal rights against her. Subsequently, criminal case alleging rape was instituted. He prays for bail. Learned lawyer for the state opposed the prayer. Learned lawyer for de facto complainant submit no notice of the suit for restitution had been served upon the victim. On the other hand, she was physically assaulted. She was subjected to torture and rape. We have considered the materials on record in light of the rival submissions of the parties. A suit for restitution of conjugal right was instituted in September 2023 by the husband against the de facto complainant. She has already entered appearance in the said suit. After the institution of the suit, the victim, the de facto complainant lodged criminal case alleging the petitioner, that is her father-in-law, raped her. It is also contended no notice of the suit had been served upon her. Even be that as it may, it appears that de facto complainant had otherwise information with regard to the institution of the suit and had entered appearance. Whether such knowledge with regard to institution of the suit was prior to the filing of the FIR as a counterblast requires to be assessed at the appropriate stage of the proceeding. Possibility of false implication due to prior enmity between the de facto complainant and her in-laws cannot be ruled out. Under such circumstances, we are inclined to grant.
One indulgence. we got information after the lodging of the complaint, because because kindly come to page number 11, Lordship, 12, Lordship. They say, SR written after being not served, and I got to.
That
come
is
to
why
the
we are
information
saying
because-
SR may not have been served, but
My mother, by post, they served that
sir,
by post.
that is why we are saying this issue will be seen during trial. Because you may have information earlier,
Not,
in spite, that is exactly, we know, that's your case. His case is you knew about this and that's why you lodged the case and then entered appearance.
I have a postal envelope where it's.
Sir, we are not convicting the man. He's making out an arguable case and we must give him an opportunity to defend himself on bail. That's it. Next.
My lord, item number 9, I appear on behalf of the petitioner.
Lordship,
My lord,
but
charge
I'm
sheet
Lordship.
has already been submitted. My lord,
Lordship,
may I hand over, my lord? My
Huh.
lord, this is a case of 10313861 subsection 2 of BNS. My lord,
Lordship,
the 103
Let him
is
say
not
that.
attracted, my lord. I am handing over the charge sheet, my lord. Kindly see. My lord, I have marked, my lord, I beg, sorry, an apology. My lord, I have a starred portion, my lord. After the incident, Vipul Sharma contacted Mona Lisa Pandit. Mona Lisa Pandit is in bail, my lord, who has mobile number this. Mona Lisa suggested Vipul to seek assistance from Sandeep Kumar Thakur. My lord, this is the present petitioner, and my lord, in the end portion, my lord, and under section 238 and 61,
All right.
these two only has been given against Sandeep Kumar Thakur, no 103, my lord.
Lordship, this is a Lordship, sex racket and murder of a army personnel, Lordship. This is a vast city, Lordship, or received city, Lordship. Some time is required, Lordship.
We'll give interim bail. You
Page
go
number
through your
9,
CD
my lord.
at leisure and length. We are releasing her on interim bail.
In charge sheet, Lordship, criminal
Mr.
conspiracy.
Public prosecutor, your charge sheet is under
Yes,
238,
yes,
which is a
yes.
bailable
Yes,
offense. Then,
and criminal conspiracy.
then
Same.
Yes,
why should they be in jail?
yes.
Now you take your time to study the charge sheet and tell us, no, there should be a supplementary charge sheet under 61(2) read with 103(1). All right.
My lord, 3 months.
Please. Petitioner is in custody for 3 months. He contends he is not involved in the murder and charge sheet has been filed under section 238/612 BNS, which is a bailable offense. He prays for bail. And a lawyer for the state submit petitioner is involved in a sex racket wherein an army personnel was murdered. We have considered the materials on record. The victim had been lured by one Mona Lisa.
Lordship, this is Bishakha. Thereafter, Mona Lisa.
Bishakha.
All right. The victim is a army personnel. He was lured through sexual advances by a lady to come to her residence. Thereafter, he was abducted at
Lordship, murder on in her
the residence. Thereafter, he was murdered by 2 persons.
Yes,
2 persons.
yes, along with Bishakha.
2 persons along with the lady. Subsequently, petitioner's assistance was taken to dispose the dead body. In this background, police charge sheet has been filed for under section 238/612 BNS, which is a bailable offense. Keeping in mind the extent of complicity of the petitioner in the crime, we are inclined to grant it.
Grateful.
Deeply appreciated.
Next.
Lord, in 10, I appear for the petition.
satisfaction of special judge.
Lordship, in the last occasion, direction
Yes.
was given to deposit the 90,000. Lordship, this is the compliance report on behalf of
Acha,
the
report is placed on record. Petitioner has deposited a
Milord,
sum
I am appearing for the petitioner, Milord. I have deposited the amount pursuant to your lordship
90,000.
direction.
judicial
uh,
cash. Third
Uh,
paragraph.
Petitioner has deposited 90s, no, report is, as per undertaking, petitioner has deposited 90,000 before the jurisdictional court, subject to the result of the litigation. As a result, the alleged misappropriated sum alleged misappropriated sum credited to the petitioner has been secured. In such view of the matter, custodial interrogation for recovery of stolen property is not necessary and petitioner may be granted and so treated. Meet investigating officer once in a week.
Grateful, Lordship.
Next,
My lord, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner.
Oh,
Under allegation under section 79, 74 to 29 into 118 to 117 to our Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita 2020.
yes, let us see what is this.
Lordship, kindly see page 13 in the city. Lordship. And Lordship,
Picture will, what is the
No.
statement?
Lordship, I'm telling Lordship, when the petitioner tried to intend the modesty of the de facto complainant, her son tried to save her. Then he tried to give cope with thou, and so grievous hurt was caused.
Injury report,
Lordship, injury report is there. Lordship, medical is the injury report is not there, Lordship.
then you get such a big picture but no injury report.
Lordship.
Outside jurisdiction. Petitioner submits that he has been falsely implicated. Petitioner submits allegation of molestation and assault are false. He has been falsely implicated. Learned lawyer for the state submit petitioner had molested the lady. When her son intervened, he assaulted him with a dowel. We have considered the materials on record. Injury report is not placed, a photograph is enclosed in the case diary showing injury on the, showing injury in the hand, showing injury in the hand, but, full stop, but no injury report indicating, no injury report indicating whether no injury report with regard in respect of the gravity of the injury is placed on record. Under such circumstances, we are of the opinion, though custodial interrogation may not be necessary, movement of the petitioner requires to be restricted in order to instill confidence in the mind of the victim and other witnesses, shall not enter Mekliganj police station on record.
Grateful, my lord.
For the appellant, my lord. My lord, on the last occasion, I got the liberty to file a memorandum of appeal.
Ah,
My lord, we have went to the filing department, but they refused to accept the same because already the appeal is numbered. If your lordship kindly give me a leave, then I can
leave
file
is
that.
granted to file additional grounds
My lord.
in support of the appeal.
My lord, my lord,
Next available circuit bench.
my lord.
Next,
Your Lordship, I'm for the petition.
report is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Petitioner has complied with the condition of bail. Accordingly, condition of bail, namely so and so. But what was, you show us the date, order, earlier orders.
Yes, your lordship, the earlier order was you cannot enter.
May
Page
enter
number-
jurisdiction. Accordingly,
Darjeeling jurisdiction. Lordship, your Darjeeling jurisdiction was there.
Page number 19.
acha, কি
earlier
বলে,
order
condition of bail, namely, accordingly, we permit the petitioner to enter the jurisdiction of Darjeeling district, provided he reports to officer in charge once in a week till conclusion of investigation. Page 21. Page 21 এর মতো order হবে।
Deeply ordered.
Yes, next.
My lord, I am for the state in item number 16.
I'm praying for next.
My lord, it's a gang rape of a minor. My lord, trial has commenced.
I'm praying for next.
Restored, we have considered the
Lordship, kindly.
materials.
Lordship.
Sir, we are not going to allow you. We are not going to allow you.
So there are grounds, Lordship.
And there may be grounds. You argue if there are grounds, but we are not going to allow you to put it before the next
Lordship,
judge.
the 164 of the victim does
Right.
not name the petitioner.
All
Lordship.
right. Petitioner contents, restored petitioner contents, victim has not named him in her statement before magistrate. He prays for bail. Learned lawyer for the state opposes the prayer. Learned lawyer, you are for state, Aniruddha
Yes, my lord, I am for the state.
opposes the prayer. He submits that trial is in progress. We have considered the materials on record. Case involves gang rape of the victim. Trial is in progress. Vulnerable witness is yet to be examined. Under such circumstances, we are not inclined to enlarge the petition on bail. Rejected.
Obliged, lordship.
Next.
I'm for the petitioner, your lordship.
Lordship, in this case, trial already commenced, victim girl and complainant evidence already deposed.
How long you are in custody?
632 days.
Then
Forceful rape, the lordship, therefore.
Lordship, the FIR was
Lordship.
lodged after
Well, consider
nearly
the city
11 months of the alleged offense.
restored.
Lordship,
Very-
considering the city.
You have a bad situation. Now he will be against you. Both the cases you are suffering. Yes, you are receiving, you are at the receiving end of both the orders. Restored. Petitioner is in custody for over 600 days. It is contended there is erroneous delay in lodging first information report. Vulnerable witnesses have been examined. He prays for bail. And a lawyer for the state and de facto complainant opposed the prayer. We have considered the materials on record. Vulnerable witnesses have been examined. There is delay in lodging first information report. Credibility of the allegation of rape has to be assessed in the light of the aforesaid circumstance during trial. Petitioner is in custody for a considerable period. Accordingly, we are inclined to enlarge petitioner on bail. Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, your lordship.
ওখানে এটা